could be.
What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Uyi here, and in today's video we're going to be doing or reacting to the drop test between the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 Pro. And basically, you know, Apple, they came out with this marketing term that it is 4 times stronger than the iPhone 11 Pro screen with the new display they put on top called the ceramic shield. They claim that 4 times better drop protection. Whether we were here to watch the drop video live, the drop test done by phonebuff as usual, and we're going to react to it. I've not watched this video, you guys have not watched the video, we are watching it together at the same time, and we're going to be reacting. So let's get into the video, guys. So you know the usual drill, we're starting on the round number 1, the backdrop. So let's see how the iPhone 12 performs.
3, 2, 1. After the backdrop, unfortunately, the iPhone 12
And the iPhone 12 glass has already cracked. Like, are you being serious? Just one drop the back. So my advice, if you are getting the 12 and not the Pro, just get the case. But like, according to them, the ceramic shield is just for the front, not for the back. So get a case, it's safer for you, because immediately the phone cracks, it's not fine, it's no longer fine, whether it's the 12 or not. Once your phone should crack, it's not sexy anymore. I'm just being honest.
for the iPhone 12 Pro in round number 1. Round number 2, corner drop. 2, 1.
Oh my, the corner drop. I don't think anything will happen in this corner drop because the stainless steel and
Drop scuffs both phones. Scuffs actually looking a bit worse on the stainless steel band of that.
yeah, so like you can see the iPhone 12's own corner drop is looking somehow, but like since the iPhone 12's
Considering the iPhone 12's thinner bezels. Round number 3.
face drop, this is what we all want to see, the face drop. Eee.
After the face drop, ceramic shield looks like it made a difference.
Hey, face drop, none of them cracked. Apple ceramic shield. Tim Cook will be like,
04 after it dropped flat onto concrete.
but this is just the first one. You know, we're going to go into the bonus very soon.
And the stainless steel frame on the
Wow.
iPhone 12 Pro took some damage from that face drop.
But this face drop, the stainless steel, as you can see from the iPhone 12, yeesh, iPhone 12 Pro rather, the stainless steel,
So an excellent result overall.
it's not looking so stainless. You understand what I'm saying? Bonus round. You know how the bonus round goes, that they're going to take the phone so high, like, oh, see let my hand be in frame and drop it face flat 10 times, and let's see if this phone can actually survive, because we know this test only 2 phones have survived, and that is the Note 20 Ultra and the regular Note 20. The regular Note 20 is actually the best phone when it comes to drop tests. It's actually more durable, like it survived everything, it got 10 in every. Before that video, link is below, you understand? So let's watch it.
3,
2,
1.
first drop, face.
First drop from higher up. Both phones still look good with their screens unaffected.
They survived the first drop. They survived the first drop.
So we'll keep on going.
Eee. Okay.
5 drops in, and the initial damage from the backdrop of the iPhone 12.
So they have done 5 drops now, and like the iPhone 12's back it's not fine anymore. Like normally your phone will not actually fall like this. They're just trying to test the durability, but like the iPhone 12's back, this blue is not sexy anymore. You know, blue is my favorite color, so right now this blue is I'm pained.
Nothing has changed on the front. The phone still remains fully functional, so we'll keep on going. Final drop. 3, 2, 1.
Ugh.
A full 10 drops into the bonus round.
Oh!
The screens on both phones seem to be completely unaffected.
Wow, okay, so now this is bad. To be honest, this is actually bad. So now you're telling me Samsung released the phone that they dropped 10 times face flat. The screen didn't crack. Like, the phone is usable. Apple also did that, but like the back of the phone, the back is not so sexy. The back is shattered, is destroyed, but like that's ceramic shield. So for the first time Apple's claim of something being the best. Okay, not for the first time, but like, you understand their marketing claim. So he actually won because this ceramic shield did not crack on both phones, the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. This is mad. This is actually mad. So smartphones are actually improving their game. Companies that sell cases and screen protectors, you guys, I don't know. And these phones are still working well. So this is actually mad because the iPhone 12 Pro didn't actually crack at all. If you look at the back of the 12 Pro, the 12 Pro is still sexy. So save, add extra cash and get the 12 Pro. If your phone falls, the back will crack. But if you get the 12, see, buy like one kind of hard case, because if the phone it has cracked, see, nothing is stopping you from cracking. This thing is looking anyhow now. It's not
That's kind of normal when you drop an already cracked phone repeatedly, but the camera is now affected as well, with cracks and
so basically
showing up on that.
the iPhone 12 camera stuff, like, it's working, but like you see the cracks and everything. Wow. Wow.
We tried looking at it under the microscope and we just couldn't see anything on the lens itself. So I'm not sure if this is due to the rear glass shattering or if it's damage to the lens itself. But outside of that, another layer to and after that much harder drop, the glass on both of these iPhones still remain fully intact. The bonus drops are onto steel, so you kind of expect it to survive if it doesn't have a crack already. But this drop was great.
So like, basically, so this drop test, kudos to the engineers at Apple, the guys that created the ceramic shield. Like, so kudos to them, because this is not actually like a marketing term they just put up and they're like, the glass is 4 times better than to crack. This glasses didn't crack, and this is on the cheaper version and the expensive version, so the 12 and 12 Pro. It's just that the 12, I'm still talking about the 12, the 12's back. So please get a case. Even if you get the Pro, get a case, because the build qualities are good. Like, build quality is good, it's everything. So extra protection when the phone cracks is no longer fine. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share, subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram at Osagie-Erese, and yeah, catch you in the next one. Bye.